Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am still here trying to, unpack everything I got from Thrive Market. This is whatever I've taken out so far, the cleaning things and some food. This is skincare items, so we'll get back to it a little later. Wow, believe it or not, they put mustard and aloe vera gel together. Okay, so this is, hope you can see it. You can't. We'll definitely need to take it out. Okay, give me a second. I took it out of the packaging. This is digestive bitters. I normally get original flavor. I have it here too, but this time I wanted to try citrus. Well, digestive bitters, it's a really lifesaver for people suffering from any, digestive issues, as it states here, gas, bloating, occasional heartburn, and it says fast acting relief. The reason I love it, I believe it's one of the best out there, and Thrive Market, I've done research, trust me, it has the best price for it, like almost $10 cheaper than anywhere else. Of course, Amazon, I actually stopped buying things on Amazon because the prices are just skyrocketing. Sometimes I think really people will pay this much for this, and it's just like 3 times more. So anyway, it has 200 servings, and I normally take it 3 times a day because you only need to take 1/4 of a teaspoon. I will make the video about it, and I would share with you why I'm buying this and why I really love it. So this is the same one, but the one I usually used to have before. It has a regional flavor. So let's put it here. This is everything. Oh, this is the BioClean hand moisturizing dish liquid. This is the first time I'm buying it. It's, as it states, it's like, plant-based with extracts of citrus and aloe vera. So I'm happy to try it, and it's actually a huge bottle, 25 ounce here. We all wash the dishes, right? So if you want any review if you want any review on the products that I have here, just, let me know, and I will gladly share it with you. And this, as I believe, is a cold pack because I have some probiotics there. And this is I will never be able to read it right, Lycopodium clavatum, I guess. Well, this is it's traditionally used for bloating and digestion and gas. So if you're traveling, you never know, right, what's in that food. Unfortunately, you can't always get something good. Well, it's a homeopathic dilution of whatever I just read you, and I've never tried it before. So I also wanted to pay attention a little bit more to all the homeopathic things of this kind, because there are various for headache, for stress, for different types of things, and it's not expensive. It's about, I believe, $4 here, and if you want, I will, make a video where I tell a little more about things like this. So now, before I open this, I will show you the Purity Performance Plant Science Brilliantly Brightening Facial Scrub. I have never tried it before. As you know, I'm into DIY products, right? I make most of my things, right? Everything I use, but of course I also try things. And I love to experiment. I love to experiment only with the things I am sure in 100%. So, as you know, you've probably heard about this. This is one of the most popular items right now of Arcure, and people make really good reviews. So I thought, they had a good promotion of this. Maybe I should give it a try. It's summertime, and I love using scrubs for my face. So if you want, my honest review, just let me know. I have opened the cold pack, and this is what I really need to emphasize here. I haven't seen many companies who are shipping probiotics with the cold pack, because this is very important. So I couldn't be happier, especially when it's like such crazy heat right now in New York. Well, these are the 2 probiotics I got. I would give this one a test. It's the Jarrow formula, Ideal Bowel Support. It has 30 veggie cap supplement, and it will only last you a month. So it's not the cheapest probiotic out there, I should be honest, but when you are buying a probiotic and you're already spending, some money, The cheapest is not the best, so if you want to get a good product, you need to opt for something, you know, that is priced reasonably as well. So, but this is just for 1 month. This one, I never buy things blindly. I always do my research. This is the Dairy Formulas Women's Femdophilus, and well, vaginal urinary tract health. So this is for women. I will try that as well, and I love it because this one will last you for 2 months. So, you know, paying that, I have 3 months worth of supplements here. And if you want my honest review and the reason why I picked these two, I will be very happy to share with you. So this is it, and this is the funny thing they did. They packed together aloe vera gel and the mustard. So as you could see, I love tomato paste, and I also love mustard. I use mustard when I marinate chicken or just put it on top of things. Sometimes I don't have that many cravings for chocolate, but sometimes I can crave mustard, believe it or not. So, and this is actually the Thrive Market brand. It's organic, it's decent ingredients, and because it's the Thrive Market brand, it's not expensive at all. So, and the last thing here is the aloe vera gel. With aloe vera gel, it's very important to pick up the product as natural as it's possible with the less ingredients as it's possible, because you know, otherwise you would just end up with a product that will irritate your skin even more. So this one, I have done so many recipes with it, and you've seen it in my videos if you were watching any of them. It's the Lily of the Desert 99% aloe vera jelly soothing moisturizer. So, and this is it. This is everything I got here. So I'll just show you. It's a lot. But another thing you need to know if you want to become a member, you have to pay $60 per year. This is the price right now. And it might seem ridiculous, but what they have is that if you become a member, they give you 3 times 20% off in the maximum amount of $20 for your first 3 orders. So if you do the math, you're pretty much getting those $60 back. And then once you're done with that, you will still get a lot of promotions like 10% off or 20% off. So this is really good. And if you're not satisfied next year, you just don't continue the membership. So I gave it a try. And as again, like I bought 2 bottles of bitters and they were $10 cheaper than on the market. So getting 2, I saved myself a lot of money already. Not to mention other small things. If you go to Whole Foods, you will definitely pay maybe $5 more for the supplements. I guess about $1 more for things like this, for skincare products, everything. So just do the math, and that's why I order a lot. I don't order every month. This will last me, as I said, like, you know, 2 months for sure. And then I just make a list on Thrive Market of things that I know that I will need, that could wait, and then one shot I order everything. So thank you guys so much for your time. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, because I'm also trying right now to share with you, you know, something from my life, what I usually get, you know, for myself, aside from making videos about skincare things and health. And I will make more videos like that as I do get a lot of packages eventually. So thanks again. I wish you to stay very happy, very healthy. I wish you to enjoy every single day of your life. I wish you to be a very kind person to yourself. Don't forget to love yourself, and I will see you in my next video.